Hello, and we're making verbs in this particular task. So we can turn some nouns and adjectives into verbs by adding suffixes. Suffixes are the second part of a particular word, such as ate, en, I, fy, or ise at the end. So you can see the first example there. We've got a word prefix, which is deaf. And if you add the suffix, which is the second part of the word, en, at the end, the word becomes deafen. Deafen means something is very loud and is hurting your ears. With most words, you can just add the suffix. So if the word already has a suffix or ends in e or y, the suffix or final letter must usually be removed before you add the new suffix. So on the bottom right hand side, you can see the example. We have a word called quantity. With quant, you can add a suffix at the end, such as quantify. Quantify means when you're calculating something or adding something up. So this way, we can turn some nouns and adjectives into verbs. So remember, adjectives are describing words. Nouns are names of places, things, names, animals, and so on. And verbs are action words, or in other words, doing words. So here you've got an example on the first question. So you've got the word deep and then deepen. So all you do is just add the words together to actually make the full word here as well. But you've got various questions in this task. Just make sure that you read and understand how you make verbs, and good luck with answering the rest of the questions. Thank you.